Hello and welcome to another entry in our Building Point Building Better video series. I'm Matt Schwartz with Building Point Great Plains. In this video we're going to align multiple model files together using the drag and drop method. This is one of the few ways you have to manipulate model files in Trimble FieldLink. This will work in both the FieldLink Office program or in FieldLink Advanced Feature Pack version 6.0 and beyond. So we'll get started here. I've got my program open and I've got my job files displayed here on the screen. They've already been imported. We've got one DWG, which we can look at here. And then we've got one IFC file down here. Now they have a different origin point for their drawing, so that's why they're in different locations, but I want to align the two, this structure here along with this DWG here. So the process for doing that is going to be that we open up the information zipper and we go into the model management. From there we've got our DWG and our IFC files. Now I want to align the IFC to my DWG, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight the IFC and then click the pen and the paper or the pencil to modify that. Now here you can see we've got our drag and drop option here. This will allow me to push and pull in any direction I want to. It does take a little bit of a time to update the model file location, so be kind of aware of that. This is a very large IFC file. And what we'll do here, before we can align this properly, I'm going to change the manipulator location. So this little square right now, or this circle, is off into kind of an area that's not very beneficial to me for alignment. So I'm going to click this icon down here, and now you'll see that the pink circle showed up, and I'm going to turn the auto snap on. And we are going to change this location of the manipulator to something in the CAD file. So here it's centered to there, and I can double check and zoom in to make sure that's where I want it to be, and I'm actually going to move that now to this outside wall location. So it automatically snapped to the edge of this. And now that I've got this aligned to this position, I'm going to go ahead and turn the manipulator part off. So now I'm going to actually move the file. So I can either use the green or red arrow to drag in a particular direction, or just grab the middle and physically move it on my screen. So I'm closer now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Again, giving it time to do the refresh. The bigger the model file, the longer, the more it might need to refresh. So we're going to drag this up to this point right here. So again, we'll drag and we'll move. Now that I'm pretty close, I want to make sure I zoom in, and you can see I'm actually misaligned slightly, so I'm going to grab it again and then drag it up. And now I'm aligned to where I want to be with my DWG and my IFC file. Just to do some other spot checks, I can make sure. Look elsewhere in my drawing as well. And it appears that we have a good alignment. So to double check that, I can go ahead and click on More and Map. I can then come in and rotate around and view my file in 3D and verify that yes, this is the elevation that I want to be at. There's the foundation work underneath, and that my file is at the correct elevation that I'm looking for. Thank you for watching today's video. Please look for future ones as well in the Building Point Building Better video series. Thank you.